Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start inside Settings, then tap Control Center to begin. This is where you add the controls you use most and remove ones you don't. Once done, tap the green plus to add a control or the red minus to remove it. Changes save immediately. Make sure your iPhone is on iOS 17 and unlocked because some options move with focus modes and accessibility settings. If you use multiple devices, check that Apple ID syncing won't overwrite custom layouts. Now reorder and refine. Press and hold the 3-line handle to drag a control where you want it. Top positions appear first in the swipe view. Once positioned, enable access within apps if you want Control Center available while inside apps. Otherwise, leave it off for fewer interruptions. If you use focus modes, go to Focus Settings to choose which controls are visible during Do Not Disturb or Work modes. These steps let you tailor quick actions to your daily flow. Finish by testing. Swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center and verify order and added controls behave as expected. If a control doesn't appear, toggle access within apps or the specific control off and on in Settings, and then restart your iPhone. If problems persist, sign out of iCloud temporarily to rule out sync conflicts, or reset Control Center to defaults as a last resort. That reset restores original layout, so you'll need to re-add custom controls afterward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.